We're off to China.
It's everyone's favorite feathered friend, taking off for a visit to a fascinating foreign land.
Wait till the gang hears about this.
Is China that way or that way?
Share the music, the magic, and the beauty of majestic China.
It's tremendous.
China! Oh, we made it.
Big Bird in China, today.
I love you, Big Bird.